In this video, I'll show you how to create a ClickFunnels account and get a bonus worth of $5,586 for absolutely free. To create a ClickFunnels account, simply scroll down this video and you'll see a link. Simply click on it, and this is the exact link which will help you to receive $5,586 worth of bonuses. If you want to watch what bonuses you are going to get, you can simply click on show more and you can see the list of the bonuses below. For now, let's click on this link. Now you'll visit to the official page of ClickFunnels to create a 2 weeks free trial, and you can simply scroll down below and click on start your 14 days free trial. Now you can put your email address at here and simply click on start 14 days trial. Now let's wait for some time. So now simply put your full name here and put your email address at here. Let me change the name. Now you can create a password that you can remember, and then click on start building my funnel. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Now there are two plans that you can select. One is ClickFunnels normal plan that would cost you $97 per month, and another is ClickFunnels platinum plan which is $297 per month. So if it is tick mark at here and you want to get the trial of this plan, then simply click on it. I'll quickly fill the details here and show you. So I have filled this form. As you can see here, you need to put your full address at here, your city name at here, your state here, your zip code. If you don't know what your zip code is, just type the city name and zip postal code in Google, you will find it, and simply select your country at here and put the credit card info at here, and the name that is in that card simply put at here. And then if you want to purchase this, you can simply tick on it or you can leave it as it is, and then you can click on here. Now you can click on activate my account now. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Now simply you can watch this video, or you can simply scroll down below and you can click on no thanks, I can create my own funnel just fine. Now you have visited to the ClickFunnels dashboard. Now I'll show you something here that is extremely important for you to know. So firstly, if you want to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate, you can simply go here and click on affiliates, and you can read all of these, or you can simply click on log into your dashboard now. Now this is your affiliate account, and now you can simply click on any of these links and start to promote these products and services of ClickFunnels. So if you click on here, you'll see a new tab here, and this is your affiliate link that you can use to promote their product. This is one funnel away challenge. So now let me show you other thing that is important. So if you click on here and click on funnel, this is the place where all of your funnel will be listed. So another thing would be the funnel marketplace, where you can get funnel, paid or free funnels. Now you can click on shop templates, and then as you can see, here are the price. You can get funnel from $0 to $197. So if you want to get this funnel, it will not cost you any money. Simply click on it and click on get template and click on login and continue. Now you can click again on get template and click on confirm purchase. So now you can click on use my new template. Now if you again go here and click on funnel, then you will see your funnel is listed at here. Now you can simply go inside this funnel and you can click on edit and start to edit this funnel. So another place to download funnel for free is Funnel Friday, funnelfriday.com. And then you can click on past episode. So you can see here are the tutorials to make this funnel. Now you can simply click on grab this funnel, let it load. There are lots of funnel that you can import to your Clickfunnels account. So it is taking a little bit time to load. Let's click on grab this funnel. And then you can click on add funnel. Now it is loading. So it is fully loaded. Now you can click on funnels again, click funnels and go to funnels, and then you can simply click on it and you can edit this funnel from here, or if you want to view this funnel you can simply click on here. So this is a funnel that you have got in your Clickfunnels account from Funnel Fridays. Now you can grab all of these funnels. If you want, you can get any funnel according to your need. So this is a simple funnel that is built by Russell Brunson and Jim, I think. Yeah, you can also watch the training, the video that they have filmed while making this funnel. One more important thing that I want to show you right now. When you create a new Clickfunnels account, then you will soon receive this kind of pop-up. Don't get confused, simply click on next and then fill this information. Put your name at here and put your everything is already filled. Now simply click on submit. And in case of bonus, you can see you will receive an email from Clickfunnels. You can simply click on here and you can read this. I would suggest you to read, and you can click on here and schedule a call with the specialist who will guide you in a proper way to move forward in this journey. So simply click on it and watch this video to schedule a call. You can select your time, your information and your confirmation. You can fill this easily and you will be able to set up a onboarding call with the Clickfunnels specialist. I would also suggest you to watch this video if you are serious to create a good business for yourself by using sales funnel. Similarly, if you don't want to get onto this onboarding call, then you can simply go to your Clickfunnels account and go to my support request, and then click on this support and type where are my bonuses. Click on contact us, and then you can click on other. So as you can see here, you can simply put the subject where are my bonuses. You can simply select the category other, and then you can fill this information. I was promised the bonuses and I haven't got it still, and you can list the bonuses by seeing at the description of this YouTube video. You can simply copy that and paste it at here and send, and within 24 hours you will receive a reply and you'll be able to access to your all of these free bonuses. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do like this video. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.